In 2019, Kellogg's chose Nickelodeon as their primary media launch partner for Frosted Flakes' new initiative, Mission Tiger. Kids all around the country in middle school are having their sports taken away from them, and it has become a problem that Mission Tiger is here to try and solve. With Mission Tiger, we hope to bring back these sports in our middle schools so that kids can play and have fun in their favorite sports once again. By buying a box of Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, you can help to improve the chances of bringing back these sports. So, buy a box. With every box that is bought, it goes in donation to help buy new equipment and gear for kids all around the world so that we can have more games, as well as if you buy a box, you will help kids all around the world to do what they love the most and play sports and chase their dreams. And who knows, maybe one day they'll be an all-star sports athlete. Thank you for watching this video. I approve of this message.